Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say, put them on your head.
Hi everyone. So spooky season is over, right? But do you guys know why certain individuals do the skeletal makeup? And if you could find a way to celebrate those who are not with us anymore, how would you do it? Well, if you want to know a fun way to celebrate those who are not with us today, I'm going to talk to you how my culture celebrates our past loved ones. My country believes we should have a day where we show our gratitude, respect, and love to those who are not with us anymore. Therefore, I did some research and I'm going to tell you guys when, how, and why we celebrate the Day of the Dead. I'm going to talk about the popularity of sugar skull makeup, what day we celebrate, and how we show our appreciation to those who are not with us anymore. While I'm doing that, you guys are going to be seeing me doing a tutorial of the sugar skull makeup. According to Brandes' 1998, the Day of the Dead helps to create an interpretation of the world in which Mexico is unique, culturally discrete, and above all, different from the two powers that have dominated the country throughout its long existence, Spain and the United States. I learned about Dia de los Muertos when I used to live in Michoacan, Mexico. I remember celebrating it since I was a toddler. When I moved to the United States, I continue to celebrate the Day of the Dead. In addition, I now celebrate Halloween as well. My culture believes that the day 31st of October is the day the dead get to be able to visit us who were still alive. Mexico was a big influence of why I should continue celebrating the Day of the Dead. My country and family influenced the importance of why we should always remember our loved ones who have passed away. In the United States, we celebrate Halloween on the 31st, but for Dia de los Muertos, it's a different day. Now I gave some background information about the Day of the Dead. I'm going to talk about the days we celebrate and how we do it. According to Brandes' 1998, during the end of October and the beginning of November, the newspapers are filled with images of political and other well-known personalities, automatically drawn as skeletons but draped with recognizable trappings of their office. Throughout the month of October, my family makes an altar with pictures of our loved ones who have passed away. The day we celebrate with the family is on the 1st and on the 2nd of November. My family gets together by having a potluck together and talk about our friends and family who have passed away. My family in Mexico celebrates the Day of the Dead by making sugar skulls candy. They decorate the tombs and have home altars. Most of my family attend to celebrations at church and then they walk to the graveyard and leave food to our past loved ones. Now that I gave you guys information of how my culture typically celebrates the dead, I'm going to talk about the colorful skull makeup that I'm doing. According to Johnson 2018, wearing this kind of makeup isn't the same as wearing a Halloween costume. It's a reverent, ritualistic way of honoring and celebrating the friends and family who are no longer alive. So we don't have any specific colors we have to use. We can always use different colors to do a beautiful skull makeup. You could also add other things. For example, instead of drawing the flower petals, we can put rhinestones around the eyes. Most of my family in the US and Mexico always do makeup skull every year. It's a fun way to honor the dead and we enjoy the different colors we do every year. So there's many ways you can show your appreciation to those who are not with us anymore. You can just put up a picture and light up a candle for them. My family likes to do sugar skull makeup. So I gave you guys a little bit of background of the Day of the Dead, what days we celebrate, and how my culture celebrates it. So this is the final product. I used some makeup that I already had at home, and it was something simple, unique, and beautiful. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you.